Hello, hi student. This is Priya, your maths tutor, and once again, I welcome you all on my channel Vidya Lee. So, in the last session, we have started the exercise 8.3, and of which we have already completed till question number 4, part 8. Right now, we are going to start part 9 of the question number 4. So, let's start. So, herein we need to prove that cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equals to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So let's write the left hand side, which is cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. Now cosecant is equals to 1 upon sine. So we'll write 1 upon sine, and secant is equals to 1 upon cos. So we have substituted the values of cos, secant and secant in terms of sine and cos. Now taking the LCM of the first bracket, we'll get sine A, and in the numerator we'll get 1 minus sine square A. Similarly, solving the second bracket, we'll get cos A, and in the numerator we'll get 1 minus cos square A. Now 1 minus sine square A is cos square A upon sine A times 1 minus cos square A is sine square A upon cos A. Now this cos and this cos will get cancelled, sine and sine will get cancelled. So we are left with cos A into sine A. But this is not equal to right hand side. Okay. Now let's try to simplify the right hand side and let's see if we are getting cos A and sine A. So the right hand side we have is 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Now tan A is equals to sine A upon cos A, and cot A is equals to cos A upon sine A. Again, taking the LCM of the denominator, we'll get sine A into cos A, and in the numerator we'll get sine square A plus cos square A 1, right? Now this sine square A plus cos square A is 1 upon sine A into cos A. Shifting it to the numerator, we'll get sine A into cos A. So here in the left side, we got cos into sine A. And on the right side as well, we got cos into sine A. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Okay. So herein we have solved the left hand side and right hand side. While solving the left hand side and right hand side, we have proved both are equal to same value. Okay. Now the last question, the question number 10, we have 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square is equals to tan square A. That is, herein we need to prove that this term is equal to tan square A and this term is also equal to tan square A. So first of all, let's take the first term, the left hand side, which is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A, right? And we'll take the next term as well, which is 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square. Now, 1 plus tan square A. We want the answer in tan, so we'll not eliminate tan, so we'll eliminate cot. So we'll convert the cot in terms of tan. So it will be 1 upon tan square A, right? Now taking the LCM in the denominator, we'll get tan square A plus 1 upon tan square A, right? Now, this term is dividing with this term. To multiply both the terms, we'll take the reciprocal of denominator. So it will be tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Tan square A plus 1 upon 1 plus tan square A will get cancel out. So we got tan square A. This is what we want, right? Now, let's solve the right hand side. So right hand side we have is 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square. Now, 1 minus tan A whole square is equals to, again herein we have the tan and denominator we have the cot. So we'll again try to convert the cot to tan. So let's write the numerator as it is. And in the denominator we'll convert cot to tan, taking the whole square. We'll get 1 minus tan A upon tan A minus 1 upon tan A. Let me write it neatly. So this is in the numerator and this is for the denominator, right? Now, herein again, this term is dividing with this term. So we'll multiply, and for the multiplication, we'll take the reciprocal. So 1 minus tan A into, if I'll take the minus sign common, we'll write minus here. 1 minus tan A upon tan A. Sorry, it will be reciprocal. So it will be tan A upon 1 minus tan A. Taking the square. Now, this 1 minus tan A and 1 minus tan A will get cancelled out. So we are left with minus of tan A whole square, which is equals to tan square A, which is equals to right hand side. Hence, proved, right? So herein, we have solved the left hand side and right hand side, and we have proved it to be tan square A, which is what we want to prove. I hope it is clear to you. Wonderful. So with this, we have completed chapter 8 of the class 10 trigonometry. All the NCERT questions we have completed, and we have already completed the previous year questions, which, right? So for that, you can watch my previous playlist for the same topic. Okay. So bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day.